Experiencing issues with your Optus modem? Let's break down the common problems. A no internet light indicates the modem can't get an IP address from Optus, often due to authentication issues or outages. A red LOS light, meaning loss of signal, signifies a break in the connection from the NBN, like a damaged cable or NBN box issue. Wi-Fi not working usually stems from the modem's wireless chipset, interference, or firmware bugs preventing Wi-Fi broadcasting. These issues can often be resolved by users at home, but knowing what causes them is the first step. According to the ACME's 2025 Broadband Performance Report, Optus averages only 1.2 hours of downtime a month. The first troubleshooting step is to power cycle your modem. Unplug the modem from the electrical outlet and wait 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple reset resolves about 50% of modem issues, according to Optus support data. Next, check your cable integrity. Ensure you're using Cat6 rated Ethernet cables and that they are undamaged. The RJ45 connector should be securely plugged in without any bends or cuts in the cable. Third, update your modem's firmware. Access the modem's web interface by typing 192.168.1 into your browser. Check for the latest firmware version and install any available updates to fix potential bugs. Consider using a mesh Wi-Fi system to eliminate dead zones and improve coverage throughout your home. Optus partners with systems like Google Nest to provide better wireless connectivity. According to WhistleOut's 2025 analysis, 65% of modem problems stem from user-side errors like loose cables, while only 20% are due to network faults. Always check the basics first. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Optus support for further assistance. They can provide advanced diagnostics and potential hardware replacements.